Ambassador Fernando Arias, Director General of the OPCW, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the first ever Global Conference on Artificial Intelligence and the Chemical Weapons Convention. This event is an illustration of the dedicated collaboration between Morocco and the OPCW with the support and generous contribution of committed member states. Hosting this conference reflects also the forward-looking vision that Morocco and the OPCW share in addressing the challenges and opportunities artificial intelligence present for the Convention and its state parties. Morocco's commitment to holding this conference is motivated by 4 objectives. First, deepening discussions on emerging dimensions related to the multilateral disarmament and non-proliferation regime. Second, enhancing the collective understanding of the challenges posed by artificial intelligence models and anticipating risks and threats that may arise from the misuse of this technology. Third, identifying converging views on the opportunities offered by artificial intelligence to strengthen the Chemical Weapons Convention key provisions. 4, contributing to the international community ongoing efforts to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals by leveraging artificial intelligence capabilities to drive progress. Ultimately, this conference provides an opportunity to reflect on how AI can serve our non-proliferation commitments and how this convention can be a catalyst for benefiting of AI technology. Mr. DG, Excellencies, Morocco has a long-standing stance with regards to the governance of new and emerging technologies in the multilateral system. Currently, Morocco engages actively in multilateral discussions regarding artificial intelligence, guided by fundamentals that are inspired by His Majesty's vision, and which are, first, responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence in compliance with international legal standards and ethical guidelines. Second, balancing regulation and innovation in a way that regulating artificial intelligence use should not hamper technological innovation. And third, protecting privacy, upholding cultural diversity, and ensuring that artificial intelligence systems are equitable and beneficial for everyone. While upholding these principles, Morocco continues to advocate for the need to address 2 critical challenges in the development of a responsible and equitable AI. We face a significant technological divide, with Africa being particularly affected. It is worth noting that more than 98% of artificial intelligence data used in Africa is not located in our continent, and that still 60% of Africa's population is offline. On the other hand, we must prevent the considerable environmental impact of developing artificial intelligence infrastructure, which should not exacerbate the already existing environmental injustice impacting developing countries. Mr. DG, Excellencies, mindful of these concerns and consistent with these fundamentals, allow me to share with you the following comments and proposals as a contribution to the specific context of the CWC. On governance and ethics, consistent with the framework of our convention, we are not in the logic of discussing the use of artificial intelligence to develop weapons. As per our global commitment as state parties, the debate is more about how an artificial intelligence can be used to enhance the implementation of the CWC. Unlike other disarmament regimes with a combination of use and regulation, our convention firmly establishes a no for use principle regarding chemical weapons. Thus, any discussion on artificial intelligence should be rigorously guided by the ultimate objective of the strict prohibition of chemical weapons. Ethical considerations have in this regard already been addressed by the Convention's firm stance against the use of chemical weapons. On the strengthening of the implementation of the CWC, artificial intelligence can be used to enhance verification and cooperation mechanisms by improving reporting processes and facilitating data analysis. It can contribute to greater transparency, therefore fostering trust among states parties. It is important for states parties to take proactive measures to maximize artificial intelligence benefits. Strengthening the Scientific Advisory Board will provide experts with necessary resources to explore AI's potential and enhance the commitment to the Convention. It is vital to ensure that artificial intelligence does not widen the gap between developed and developing states parties. Instead, it must be considered as a game changer, ensuring all countries fully participate in advanced non-proliferation efforts. Now on the peaceful application of artificial intelligence in chemistry. The integration of artificial intelligence into the implementation processes of the Convention can promote the peaceful use of chemistry. By supporting beneficial applications for humanity, artificial intelligence can demonstrate that chemistry can be a vehicle for progress rather than for destruction. We also have to address the dual-use nature of artificial intelligence in the chemical domain, which presents a complex challenge. We should prevent dual-use chemicals from being diverted and ensure that chemistry is used solely for peaceful purposes. Periodic chemical industry and national authorities meetings are valuable opportunities to foster cooperation between states and the chemical industry and laboratories, ensuring that artificial intelligence and chemical technologies are used exclusively for peaceful purposes. Mr. DG, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, allow me to stress that we in Morocco remain convinced that an effective South-South, North-South, and triangular cooperation will help building artificial intelligence capabilities in developing countries and reduce the digital disparities. International cooperation remains the guiding force of this endeavor. By uniting our efforts, sharing knowledge, and building partnerships, we can turn artificial intelligence into a powerful tool for global peace and security. It is our duty to ensure that artificial intelligence serves as a catalyst for a safer world where peace and security are preserved for future generations. I thank you for your attention.
للمزيد من المعلومات ما تنسوش تابونا وتفعلوا الجرس باش يوصلكم جديد لو سي تي في.